Our olive and rosemary no-knead has fully cooled down now, so we are ready to slice this. So I'm going to go straight through the middle to look at that lovely crumb, that lovely crumb structure inside. Beautiful. A nice even distribution of the olives. We've got that nice shine, which is typical of a sourdough crumb, and a nice open texture. Look at the even crust. I'm very, very pleased. So, storage and shelf life of your loaf. This loaf will last around 5 days. You'll want to store it in a bread bin or perhaps a paper bag. It would also freeze very well. Maybe you want to slice it before you freeze it, allow it to fully cool before freezing, and wrap it so it's nice and airtight to prevent any freezer burn. And I would just toast this with some butter and eat it as is.